This is a powerful homemade syrup to make you better once and for all. Welcome to our page and tell me, how is your health? Do you have a cold, cough, or catarrh? Stay with me until the end, it will be worth it. And to prepare this syrup, we will need an orange, and we will cut it with the peel and all in slices. The orange is a rich source of vitamin C, which helps to strengthen our immune system and makes us stronger to face the flu and the cold. We will also use a lime, and we will cut it into slices, peel and all. Lime is rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that strengthens the immune system, and has antiviral and antibacterial properties, helping to decongest the respiratory tract. In addition, lime essential oils provide benefits that cure some flu symptoms, such as coughs, secretions, nasal congestion, and throat congestion. Now let's use 3 cloves of garlic. Garlic is a good remedy to treat the flu as it reduces dry cough and other respiratory tract symptoms such as nasal congestion, secretions, and sore throat. We will use 1 onion and cut it into small pieces. The onion has beneficial properties for our health that will help us fight the symptoms of the flu and cold. It has expectorant action that allows you to treat bronchitis, pharyngitis, and multiple other respiratory problems, such as asthma or allergies. The next ingredient we will incorporate is ginger, an excellent home remedy to relieve coughs, mainly because ginger has expectorant and anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce the phlegm produced during the flu. In a pot, we add all the ingredients and also add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder and some water. We bring it to a boil and let it boil for 15 minutes. While it is boiling, tell me from what country or city you are seeing me now, and also tell me what time you are watching us. After that time we let it cool down, and now we add some honey to sweeten and mix it very well. Take this syrup twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. Let me know if you liked this syrup and if you would prepare it. If you liked this remedy, you can rate it from 0 to 10. Thank you very much to the people who share our videos. I hope it will be a great help for your health. See you in the next video. God bless you greatly.